And the walls are breaking down when we falling with our head on the ground. Do you feel it's reaching now? Can you hear the curtains fall?